Hi guys, it's Laravel and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Video, we're on the second episode of Local Must-Have series, and as you guys can remember if you're not new here, on the first episode I featured Filipina Beauty's Isla collection. So just like what I said on the previous episode, after sharing my honest experience on the certain product that I'm gonna show you, I'll be having a giveaway with the goal of promoting and supporting local brands. So if you want to find out my honest review on Happy Skin's Lip Mallow Coffee Edition, and if you want to win the giveaway in this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and watch this video until the end. Okay, so I think I ordered this on the last week of June and then I received it on the first week of July. So mabilis lang siya. Actually, parang medyo wala pang 1 week na receive ko na siya. I bought this from the official Lazada store of Happy Skin. I can leave the link on the description box. And just a disclaimer guys, this video is not in any way sponsored by Happy Skin. I just really love showing my support and love for local brands. So ayan, just so you know, I already opened this but I haven't tried the lip products yet. So, ito yung itsura niya. Yan. It's in a box and then it's packed with a plastic. And ito yung tumbler niya. Ang cute, guys. Pero may nakalagay na caution hot. Ay, hindi kita. Sobrang cute ng packaging. I super love this. So, it has 2, 4, 6 shades. Yan. Papakita natin yung isa-isa. But it also has an individual packaging inside. So, maganda siya, guys. So, now let's start checking the individual lip products. First, pumpkin spice. Ayan. So, let's see how pumpkin spice looks like. Ayaw matanggal. If you're not new here, alam na alam niyong mahilig talaga ako sa brown or nude shades kapag sa lips. Makita ko pa lang to, hindi ko pa siya natatry. Na-excite na ako. So, okay. Dami kong daldal. Try na natin. Here's how the applicator looks like. Yan. This is the swatch. Char. Ingay. Hoy, ang ganda! Amoy siyang kape. Promise. Itong pumpkin spice, medyo amoy kopi ko candy or XO candy. So, yun. Para alam niyo yung amoy. I'm gonna try putting it on my lips. Wait, where's my mirror? It's actually a velvet type lipstick. So, parang creamy talaga siya. And, ang ganda nung combination ng pagka-creamy niya and yung kung paano siya i-apply ng applicator. Parang nagmamatch sila together. It feels very light. It feels natural. Hindi siya parang, ayun o, usually kasi may mga lip products na parang pag nagsismile ka, matigas sa feeling. And then when you remove your smile, parang nagkakaroon ng cracks or patches. But this one, look oh. Whew! Okay, first shade pa lang, ang dami ko nang nasabi. So, sige. Now we're gonna try the shade Fresh Brew, and I think this is a bit more brown than the first shade that I showed you. So let's try the swatch. You guys. Grabe, this is the perfect collection for me. Marami akong favorite set ng local makeup brands pagdating sa lip products, pero parang nakahanap na ako ng top 1 ko, and feeling ko ito na talaga yan. It's very light on the feeling. Ang galing ng formula nito. For the third shade, we're gonna try Cafe Au Lait. I think this is lighter than the first two, maybe. Parang mas nude siya. Then we're gonna try doing the swatch. Now, I'm gonna try it on my lips. Parang so far yung tatlong shades na na-try natin so far, wala akong hindi gusto. So, oh, okay. So, it also has SPF 15 according to the package. It's actually a good thing kasi it's not just a lip product like a lip makeup product. It's also a lip care product. So, kaya pala nakalagay dito, makeup that cares for your skin. Hey, good job, good job. Now, for the fourth shade, we're gonna try Iced Coffee. And I think this is the darkest so far. Medyo mahirap ilabas sa box. I think this is a perfect nude shade for morena or like yung mga darker skin tones than mine. Not really very dark, but it's just darker than what I would put on my lips kapag nude yung gusto kong ma-achieve. This is the swatch. You know. See? Sorry, ang kalat. This is gonna be darker on my lips, but I think I can use this everyday pa rin kasi the color is still neutral. Like, hindi siya popping or hindi siya vibrant, I mean. Yo! This shade is the bomb. Ganda nito pag mga photo shoot or di kaya kapag mga performances. Usually, I like using dark lipsticks when I'm performing on stage kasi, when the audience are far from you, hindi nila basta-basta makikita yung mga details ng makeup nyo unless it's very, either striking or very on fleek or dark. So, yan. Bet ko to for stage performances. Ang ganda oh! Now, for the second to the last shade, we're gonna try Cinnamon. Parang sa box, medyo maroon yung dating sa akin. Colorblind ba ako? Yan. Pero dito parang medyo pink siya. So, let's see kung ano itsura niya. Kalat ng swatch ko ngayon I don't know if you can see it on the camera. Parang medyo orangey pala siya sa camera. But here, it's a little bit more pinkish than the first shades that I showed you. Now, I'm gonna try it on my lips. Ooh, I like this. Okay, hindi ako makadecide kung ano yung favorite shade ko sa kanila, but we'll see later. And so far, actually, although patapos naman na tayo, all of the shades are consistent with a lightweight feeling. So, wala akong problema sa kanila kasi parang consistent yung quality ng products nila. And yung smell din, consistent siyang amoy kape. Now, before we proceed with the last shade, I just want to announce the mechanics for winning this giveaway. And it's super easy, guys. Kung ako sa inyo, sasali na ako. So, all you have to do is just subscribe to my channel and comment down your Instagram usernames so that I can mention you when I announce the winner next week. So, let's proceed with the last shade. Now, for the last shade, we're gonna try Chai Latte. I think ito na talaga yung medyo maroon, hopefully. Kasi medyo gusto ko ng may maroon shade with the collection. Ay, parang mukhang maroon nga siya. Let's try doing the swatch. Medyo maroon nga siya, pero this shade is still not vibrant. Hindi pala siya maroon, more on parang magenta, but on the toned down color. Hindi siya vibrant magenta. Gets niyo ba? Maganda to for like date nights or like dinner, Valentine dinner. Ang ganda oh. Now, I'm gonna show you how I remove it. So, for the swatch, kung makikita nyo, kapag isang wipe lang, may natitira pa ring pigment. So, it just shows na pigmented talaga yung product. Ayan o. Medyo mahirap siyang tanggalin, actually. And this is a makeup wipe hack. Hindi siya like normal wipe. Yan. Now, for the lips, let's try dabbing it once. Ha? Ha? Walang natanggal masyado. Ito lang. Amazing. See, may natitira pa rin na pigment. Or na tint, rather. Now, when I remove it like this, tinted pa rin siya. So again, this is a lip product na pwede nyong gamitin when you're going to dinner parties or something like that. Basta kung marami kayong gagawin dyan sa lips nyo na could lead to possibly removing the product, maganda tong gamitin kasi hindi siya basta-basta natatanggal. See, I already rubbed it with a makeup wipe. And it's still there. The tint is still there. It's a little bit lighter, but it's still there. May kulay pa rin yung labi ko. Ayan, ganda. That's how beautiful our local products are. So if I were you guys, support local na, love local na. As in, tingnan nyo, kaya naman natin ng mga gantong high quality products. So, I think that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed and I hope to see you on the next episodes of Local Must Have series.
Little.